guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Diksha Shetty, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an Amazon lehenga unboxing. And guys, if you already watched my older videos, then you know how disappointed I was. I used to stick around a budget of 1000 to 1500, which was the maximum I used to spend on anything. But this time I thought I should increase it, and here I've already received the product. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here's the package. This is how it came, and I really like Amazon packaging. It's nice and simple. So let's open it up. So this is how it comes. It comes in this Ziploc bag, which is really nice, and it does smell kind of fishy. Let's open this up. So I'm really excited to open this. So first of all, so this is how the lehenga is. This is from the brand Zeal Collections, and so first of all, let's see the blouse fabric. So here is the fabric. This is so beautiful, guys. It said it's silk fabric, and it's really a very soft silk, and you have to see the detailing here. It has got kundan and kind of a goldenish silver embroidery or a designing. I'll actually give a very close-up picture of this. And I guess you get around 1 meter of cloth. That's what it was written. It's not at all thin, guys. You have to just see the material, see the fabric. It has kind of a shine and looks like velvet, but it's not velvet. But it smells a little odd. But then you have to see this. It comes in this yellow, green and purplish stones. The neck work is so beautiful. So it's going to be like this. This is how it will look, and there's enough material. And again, they've given this. Okay, this is for the back part or the sleeve. So there's an extra fabric as well, which is really nice. Like if you are heavy, then again you can make this work. So anybody can wear this. It's really nice. I just can't take my eyes off this. It's so beautiful. And again, the kundan and the stones are like stuck so beautifully. It's not even coming off. I'll actually give a very close-up picture of this, guys. I'm really very happy with the blouse. Now I just have to think how I'm going to stitch this.
I thought I should include the other side of the blouse fabric where the kundan work were done. You can just see how beautifully and neat the work is.
So now coming to the skirt part, and this is how it looks, guys. When I ordered this, there were no reviews, but it was given like 4 or 5 star, which is okay. So this is how it looks. Again, I'll give a very close-up picture of this. It has this hibiscus, colorful hibiscus print, and again, if you see this, there is a green colored lace, greenish blue colored lace or teal colored lace here. And again, there is this velvet lace with kind of pinkish yellow and blue embroidery, again with the golden glittery, and the border is pink. And this is how it looks. This is so beautiful. Okay, and guys, the design of this is entirely different. There is this copperish thread in this, and here it's just plain. So it's different one.
I thought I should include this as well, a very close-up picture of the lace detailing. You can see how the minute designs are, and guys, the threads and the embroidery design is very clean and neat.
See the inner side of this, it comes in this satin, kind of bluish green satin colored lining, which is really soft and very nice quality fabric. And again, guys, the best part is there is can attached. Who does this? I don't think any of my lehenga, which is costlier than this, didn't have can attached. So this is really nice. So this is going to give that shape. And again, Cancan material is nice, and the lehenga flare is 3.5 meters. Now let's see the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks. It comes in this black netted fabric, and it has this detailing, golden embroidery, teal colored lace, and pink piping border. And the length of this is 2.5 meter, and fabric is really nice and soft. It's long enough. And guys, I'm really happy with my purchase. The color combination, the fabric, the stitching, everything is very beautiful. I'm really surprised about the quality of the product. And now coming to the price, the original price was 7,500 and I got it for 3,490, which is a great deal for this beautiful lehenga. I would just rate it 5-star. I hope you guys liked today's review. If you did, do comment and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.